I don't go to steakhouses anymore because I can cook better steaks at home. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're doing fire-roasted bone-in ribeye with Wagyu. The first thing that we need to do is prepare the ribeye. We got a beautiful bone-in Wagyu ribeye here, so let's open up the package. And look at this, intensely marbled, so rich in umami and really melts in your mouth like butter. My favorite to cook anything that's bone-in is to roast it over an open fire. This steak is perfect, so we're only gonna season it lightly with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. We're gonna light up a fire in the grill, and when we have a good starter fire going, we're gonna add a couple of larger wood splits and get a good ember bed going. We're gonna oil the grates, and then we're gonna place the bone-in ribeye on the grill. You want to flip it every minute or so. When you roast over an open fire, you don't really care that much about the sear marks, so the steak will cook more evenly when you flip it frequently. And look at that steak just getting infused with both the fire and the smoke from the grill. You know this is going to be awesome. We're going to cook it until we reach an inner temperature of about 128 degrees. Then we're going to remove it from the grill and let it rest for 7 to 8 minutes. We're gonna slice off the bone, and then we wanna cut it into thick slices against the grain, and this is cooked to perfection. And that is how I make my fire-roasted bone-in ribeye with Wagyu beef from Campo Grande. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this, and oh, it's got such a great smoky flavor, perfect medium rare, and it just breaks apart so easy. And the flavor is phenomenal. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.